It's beautifully raining outside this morning, and looking at the sky and the greens around, I realize the beauty of nature. While enjoying this gift of nature, I thought of making something to go with the rains. And then I decided to make some chicken fry and a nice caprese salad to go with it. Come, let's go to the kitchen. I was thinking of making this for lunch, so I had taken about a kilo of chicken. Then in goes 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, some fresh curd. Here I have used the plain curd. You can use the sour curd if you want. Some chili powder, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala. Tandoori masala is available in the market by the name chicken tandoori masala or tandoori masala. Then in goes a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now since I have used the plain curd, so I will be using a little bit of vinegar to it. If you are using a sour curd, then you can just avoid this. In goes a little bit of vinegar, about a tablespoon. Mix the marination well with the chicken and marinate it for about 6 to 7 hours in the refrigerator. If you are in a hurry to cook the chicken immediately, then marinate it for about 20 minutes and then pressure cook it for 1 whistle, and then your chicken will be ready for frying. In this case, I am not doing that, so I have marinated it for about 6 to 7 hours and the chicken is almost ready. Now I have taken a non-stick pan where I have put a lot of oil, refined oil for frying. Once the oil is heated, in goes the chicken one by one. Carefully put the chicken in. Once the chicken is cooked in one side, just turn it over one by one. Once it is golden brown in color, just turn with a knife or a fork and check if it is cooked properly or not. Since the chicken is now nicely fried and it has given a nice golden color to it, so we will remove it from the oil and put it in a tissue paper so that the oil gets soaked in it. Look, the chicken is ready. It looks juicy and tempting. So this is ready, to go with it, let me make a quick salad for you all. It's a caprese salad. It's an Italian salad that we are going to make now. It's with tomatoes. It's tomato caprese salad. So let's check it out. Now let me take you to my little kitchen garden where I have tulsi plants, and it is a rich immunity booster, and I think every house should have one. The ingredients for the caprese salad are tomatoes. The tomato should be fresh and juicy and bright in color. Then basil or tulsi. I'll be using tulsi patta today, so that's from my kitchen garden as I've shown you. Fresh ones, looks very nice, colorful. Some mozzarella cheese, salt, pepper, some virgin olive oil, and you require the balsamic vinegar. It is the king of vinegars as it is known, so I'll be using a little of it today. Firstly, we need to cut the tomatoes into slices this way, not very thin slice, just this way. Now let's arrange the salad. First we require to put in the tomato, then mozzarella cheese, a lot of it, and then some basil or tulsi patta. The salad looks very colorful, and keep on repeating the process. And finally we'll be doing the dressing, for which we require a little bit of salt. Do not put too much of salt because the mozzarella cheese already has salt in it. A little bit of pepper powder, drizzle some nice virgin olive oil. I like a lot of it. And then last but not the least, very important, is the balsamic vinegar. This is very important in this recipe, to pour the balsamic vinegar. Slowly and gently pour the vinegar. Now the chicken fry and the KPC salad is ready to be served. If you have liked this video, please do not forget to press the like button and share. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.